I'm not sure what the other rooms are like here, but this is to give you an idea of what an executive room is like. So they're on the same floor as the executive lounge, so all the executive rooms are on this same floor, which is, what floor are we on? Floor 9. So as you come in through the door, you've got this great space here where you can just put your suitcase. Unfortunately for us, we have more than one suitcase, but then again, I suppose if we turned it the other way, we could maybe get 2 in there. But that's a great space. Huge wardrobes here. Like, you probably can't see from the film like how big these actually are. I think they're bigger than my wardrobes at home. I've got some doors that open up. We've got slippers. Oh, so Ant's put one of our other cases in here. That's good. So we've got a case that fits in there. Then you've got an ironing board here. This is like a trouser press. Trouser press, ironing board, little, what are them racks for, to put your clothes on while you're ironing them? Iron up there, bathrobes, that's really nice. We've got slippers. Oh, this is a good thing. Shoe polish and go shine. Hair dryer in there. Then there is laundry service bag. There is a safe, a Bible, and a nice little nifty drawer there as well. We've not hung anything up. We probably might later on, we might hang up our clothes for tomorrow, but we don't really need to hang anything. Oh, that's good, like soft clothing. And I just realised that the lights are inside it. So that's nice. Moving along to here, we have the little, sorry, that's just Ant's sunglasses and bits of stuff on there. But you have your drink machine. So it's an espresso moment. Don't really know how that works because we never really use an espresso. Complimentary water and kettle for tea. Oh my gosh, we've got no biscuits, yeah. We should have biscuits, normally they give you biscuits, don't they? Bottle opener, little Nespresso, shot cups, cup mugs. Oh, there they are, there's an espresso capsules in there. Got hot chocolate, teas, milk, 2 wine glasses and 2 glasses. Then down here, I thought there was a fridge. Here's the little mini fridge. Oh, got another bottle of water in there.
I think it's what the people who were in there before, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, maybe we don't drink that one then because we don't know where that's come from, yeah. There's a fridge in there. We've got a huge poof here with the in-room dining. Lovely long mirror and one of our other suitcases.
So in your mum's room, she's not got the bed, so they're both there.
What are these two?
Yeah.
Okay, so my mum's room doesn't have the extra bed where Matilda is. So she's got the poof and the chair over there in that corner there where the bed is. The bed is humongous as well. I love staying at this hotel because look at the size of that bed.
Get 4 or 5 people.
But it ends up where like you go on holiday and like tomorrow we won't have this massive bed and it's sad because I love this bed. It's absolutely huge.
Per size.
Then you have lights, sockets and switch, and that's a USB there, isn't it, as well? Oh, is it USB? It says SV, I think, actually.
Yeah, it's USB.
Oh, sorry, 5V, I can't even read now. For a perfect night's sleep, feel the difference. Don't know what that is. I don't know, I guess. We have firmer pillows, non-feather duvets, can even give you more bedding or a blanket if you wish. No little shelves under, no little drawers underneath there though. TV. And it was a nice little comfy chair. Then we've got a desk. So you've got a little. Remember last time at Christmas, Matilda wrote on this little notepad.
Yeah, she's already ironing them up.
Is she? And a pencil. She wrote or something, didn't she? Phone. That's just our little bag. So you've got all the little sockets and things. Oh, that's good. They've got like an adapter socket.
Yeah.
More switches. Nice little picture of a little boy with an airplane. Desk area. Then under there, these don't pull out or anything. There's a bin. Then, like I said, Matilda's got this bed because there's obviously 3 of us, even though, yeah,
Just show I'm 6 foot.
Ant's demonstrating, Ant's 6 foot and it's wider than him. Even though Matilda was eyeing up that the fact that we could all sleep in this bed, but I've told her no, she's going in her own bed, because if we all sleep in this bed, it defeats the object of Mummy and Daddy having a lovely big bed. But I'm sure at some point she's going to try and wingle her way in. Yeah, I think I'll probably end up in this tiny bed, and them two will have this huge bed, which will even be bigger when Matilda gets in there, not me. But this is Matilda's bed for now. So this is the extra pull, well, I say pull out bed, it's a roll-away bed, yeah, that they've put in. So like I was saying, in my mum's room, obviously she doesn't have that roll-away bed. So she's got this chair and this poof in her corner there, which is nice, because I suppose you could look out at the view then. There's a nice lamp over there. And this side has got, the telephone here as well. So there's a telephone here and one on the desk. That's nice. Oh, there's another notepad and pencil. Gosh, she will be in her element with that. And then this is our amazing view of the airport. So if you look, sorry, I'm getting tangled up by they've got like these little curtains. If I'm just going to zoom in a bit just to give you a kind of point of contact idea. So that is the tower here. Oh gosh, like that tower there is the control tower for the airport, so you can just about see a little tiny plane underneath it. But we've already seen lots of planes landing on this runway. We've seen them taking off on the runway, because the lounge is just literally next to us. You kind of can just, if I, oh, there's a plane going there now. See if we can catch that one. So you can see it's really exciting. Matilda's absolutely loving it. It's that Jodrell Bank in the background there, actually. Yeah, you can just see Jodrell Bank in the background. That let me try and ding it. I'll never get it back where my finger is, just above there, above the plane right now. So actually, I think that plane's just landed. It's going slower now. Yeah, it might have potentially just landed, but we have seen some taking off, haven't we? We've seen some landing. See all the little bits of the airport. You can see all the planes down there as well. So you can just see all different planes that are ready being, I don't know what they're being down there. What are they doing with those planes down there? They're just like ones that are just...
Yeah, they'll be there ready for later.
Yeah, they're servicing some, and then you can see they're doing things, or see all the different movements. Zoom back out again, I forgot I was zoomed in. Then over here, you can just see the sign is Terminal 1. So we can easily walk to Terminal 1 again, because they've got that walkway that we walked over to get to the hotel before from Terminal 2. And I'll try and show you now. So this bit here, this like grey bit here that you can see, that is the executive lounge that juts out there. So that's how we've been able to see all of that from the executive lounge as well, because the view is just the same. You look right out over here. So it's really nice. Like Matilda's been looking at what different planes she's seen. We saw the A380, didn't we? The Emirates. We've seen lots of TUI planes. We've seen an Aer Lingus, Jet 2. So we've seen loads of different planes going off, landing. It's been really lovely. We've had a great time sat up there. They've just put out some little things which are hopefully going to start looking like food. We're not too sure on the times. I think it said hot and cold canapes served until 7:45. And then it said desserts were served until 9 p.m, I think it said, but we're not too sure.
Alcohol comes out at 4, so I'm guessing that's about when the food will come
Yeah, at 4 o'clock they start serving alcohol, which is when Matilda's actually been told that she has to leave the lounge, even though last time I'm sure she stayed until longer than 4. And actually I definitely think she did, because last time we came was Christmas, and we finished school and then came, so we wouldn't have even been here at 4 o'clock. And she definitely came in the lounge then. But we shall see anyway. We was going to look at going into the swimming pool, but I've realised that we've vacuum packed our swimming costumes, so it means I have to unvacuum pack them, and then they would be really soaking wet. But I might have a wander down there later and just show you the fitness suite and the swimming pool and things. So I'm just focused on the view, because I think it's quite nice view while I'm just talking. So we're going to head back to the lounge now, to where I've left Mum and Matilda. We're going to see if there's any snacks out or anything. We're going to have a walk over to Terminal 1 as well, so I will film that for you, and we'll catch up soon. Oh, I've not shown you the bathroom. Sorry, let me show you the bathroom. Let me get out of this crazy voyeur thing. Good job I said that, because I completely forgotten. So this is the bathroom. It's a lovely big bathroom. It must be echoey in here. So you've got a nice big sink. You've got your soap there. I thought that was a black soap. 2 little cups, hand towels, mirror, light little shavers only. Hello to me, I'm just on my phone, filming at the minute. Light there. Got lovely towels down there, scales, bath mat, extra toilet roll, bare toilet roll there. Then as we pan round, we've got a lovely big shower. Shame we all had showers at home this morning, but at least we can have one tomorrow morning if we feel like it. Little pegs to hang your towels on. This doesn't move, this glass door, but it's beautiful shower. I'm actually getting it to show you. So you've got the huge shower head there. You've got your controls there, thing there, and you've got your actual separate head there that you can use, which is really good. So I'm in the shower now, and over there is the mirror. So you can see the distance. There's the door, towel, sink, toilet. It's really big. You get all your little lovely luxuries as well. So you get body wash, shampoo, body lotion, conditioner, and you actually get a vanity kit with face and nail care and 2 little face cloths, which I think is really good as well. So I think that's going to end. This is the doors. That doesn't actually lock the door. It's just like a frosted glass door. It doesn't actually lock, which is a bit strange, isn't it? It's just like a frosted glass door.
So you gotta finish the video on the shot of the toilet.
I'm gonna finish it on this shot here. Radisson Blu, come back later. Thank you. See you soon.